Hey guys, do you play Gardenscapes? Well, today I'm going to show you guys how to download a modded version onto your device with unlimited resources for iOS and Android, guys. So let's get straight into the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. So go to zoomods.com and find the Gardenscapes mod, press on it, and before it downloads you will have to do a verification, which means downloading some apps and completing the instructions. So these are completely for free and they're from the official App Store. So let's just wait for this to download and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just let it load here, as you guys can see. Alright, so we're just going to let it load. Gardenscapes Masters. So as you can see, it redirects us and it says please install 2 free apps to automatically install the Gardenscapes mod. So you just press on the app, it redirects you to the App Store. You can see they're all different. Some of them are download and install, run for 30 seconds. Some of them are down, install, complete level 10. Really doesn't matter, guys. Just make sure you go ahead and complete it and you're going to be good to go. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is super insane and it fully works on all devices. So yeah, Gardenscapes is a pretty sick game when you're rich, right? So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this fully works. I haven't had to jailbreak or anything, so I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super awesome and it fully works, so peace out, guys. If you like Gardenscapes and everything, which I do. I'm a big Gardenscapes aficionado, always trying to get more money in the game. So I had to make a video about this tutorial because it actually works on iPhone and Android. So yeah, pretty wild. So I'll see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel, bro. This is so cool, bro. Gardenscapes. Oh, Gardenscapes. It's so fun to play when you're rich, guys. It's so cool to play. So I'll see you later and peace out.